Wealthsimple Trade, Questrade, which one should I go with? So first off, these two platforms I'm going to be talking about today is for DIY investors. Welcome to my channel, everyone. My name is Michelle Hung from the Sassy Investor, your go-to platform for everything to do with personal finances, investing, and money mindset. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Wealthsimple Trade and Questrade. So both of these platforms have a robo-advisor component and a DIY component. I'm going to be addressing the DIY component, which means you're taking investing in your own hands. You have your list of investments, whether they're stocks or ETFs, and you're doing the investing yourself. In comparing these two platforms, I will be covering three areas, and that will be the fees, the types of accounts you can open, and some of the unique features that each of these platforms possess, so that at the end of the day, you can decide for yourself which platform you want to use, or you could very well use both of them. There's nothing stopping you from opening accounts on both platforms, except maybe the fees, so let's start with that. When it comes to fees, Wealthsimple will take the cake. Wealthsimple Trade provides commission-free trades, that is the buying and selling of both stocks and ETFs, whereas Questrade only provides commission-free purchases of ETFs. When you want to sell an ETF or buy or sell a stock, it's going to cost you $4.95 each trade. So if you're looking to build your ETF portfolio on Questrade, you can do that and it's not going to cost you anytime you purchase an ETF. When it comes to fees on withdrawals, Wealthsimple does not charge for withdrawing your money or transferring your money to another institution, or if you do nothing with your account and it remains inactive. For example, if you decide to move your money from Wealthsimple to CIBC, they're not going to penalize you. Whereas Questrade will charge you $25 for a partial transfer and up to $150 for the entire transfer of your account. Or if your account stays stagnant, that is, if you don't perform any buying or selling activity, they will charge you $25 per quarter. But if you decide to make a purchase the following quarter, they will waive that fee and reimburse you that fee. So with Questrade, as long as you remain active on at least a quarterly basis, you'll be fine. So all around, Wealthsimple wins when it comes to fees. With respect to the types of accounts you can open on each platform, because Wealthsimple Trade is relatively new to the market, the only accounts that are available for you to open are non-registered accounts, RSP, and TFSA accounts. That means no margin accounts, no RESPs, no RIFs, no RDSPs, and certainly no options trading available. Questrade will offer all of the above. However, I'll note that Wealthsimple Trade allows you to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is great for those that are into those types of products. It saves you the trouble of opening a Coinbase or a Binance account. For now, those are the only two cryptocurrencies that you can trade with on their platform. And those cryptocurrency investments are only permitted in your non-registered account. That means all the investment gains are fully taxable. Questrade does not offer the trading of cryptocurrency, and I'm not sure if that's a path they're going to go down anytime soon. We'll just have to see. For now, Questrade still offers a lot of features: the trading of options, futures contracts, foreign currency, and commodities. You can short assets and buy on margin with Questrade. These are features for more advanced traders, technical traders, day traders. If you have no inclination or desire to do any of the above, then you can just ignore all of this. Which brings us to the unique features each of these platforms offer. A big feature that Wealthsimple Trade is missing is that it does not allow you to hold a USD account. And that sucks for those that want to buy US stocks. And each time you convert, they will charge you a spread, and it's not cheap. For example, if you decide that you want to buy Apple stock, what's going to happen is they're going to take your Canadian dollars that you're holding in your investment account, and it'll automatically convert it to USD and make the purchase. Down the road, if you decide to sell that stock, it will automatically convert that money back into Canadian dollars, which means right after they sell it for you, it won't hold the USD, which really sucks because if you want to buy more US stock after, you're going to have to convert your money from Canadian dollars back to US again. Again, you have to go through the process, which means more conversion fees. Whereas Questrade will allow you to hold US dollars. So if at any point after you sell your US stock, you can hold that in USD and then make another purchase without having to convert money from Canadian dollars to US dollars. And it's also good for times right now when the Canadian dollar is strong. You can just convert Canadian dollars to USD and hold it in your USD account for as long as you want. For me, that's a really big difference because I buy US stocks all the time and I want to be able to hold that currency and not be subject to constant conversion fees. Another difference between these two platforms is the minimum amount required to start trading. With Wealthsimple Trade, it does not require a minimum amount. You can deposit $20 or $50 and buy a couple ETFs and you're good to go. Whereas Questrade requires you to deposit a minimum of $1,000 before you're allowed to start trading. There is no fee charged for either platforms upon opening your account, which is great. So all around, both of these platforms have their advantages and disadvantages and unique features. If you're starting out and just looking to test the waters in investing, then Wealthsimple Trade is a great option because of their no fees structure. However, if you're into trading US stocks or more advanced products that you're looking to add to your investment portfolio, or you're looking to manage accounts that are beyond your RSPs and TFSAs, then perhaps Questrade is the better platform for you. Now again, you can have accounts with both institutions. It's not a big deal. You're allowed to do that. I hope you found this video helpful. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you later.